Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to Bitcoin update. Alright, so I'm looking at Bitcoin at the moment and I want to dive into the chart and let's talk about Bitcoin. So it's going to be a very straightforward update. I do see an amazing thing with Bitcoin. Now, first of all, on the 15 minutes time frame, you can see you're making this little bit of a W push and you're trying to go to the upside. Now, the best thing about it is that we're looking for Bitcoin to move to $27,000 at the moment. So if you see what Bitcoin did, it's just went to the upside, crawling up a little bit to the sideways, and it's time to actually pop out of this area. And if you pop out of that one, then you take the top to the bottom of this from here to here. And you might be looking at Bitcoin trying to move up to $27,000 at the moment. So it is what it is. It's a critical update. It's a very quick call here. Can I tell you one thing? You can maybe even try to trade this thing. And if I take the measurement from there to there, you can put a stop loss down at nearly $23,700 and ride it all the way up for a nice 10% to the upside. Now that's your own shot, man. That's your own call. And we're looking for Bitcoin to look amazing at the moment. So let's see if anything else is there on the 4-hour time frame. The 4-hour time frame also looks quite solid at the moment. Really amazing. And keep in mind that you're going to have this little bit of resistance up here. And that's where you even make sense to go up to, because if you look at it this way, you're making that one resistance, pump back up to 27,000, got another resistance. And from here, we're going to see what happens. And that's pretty much it for this Bitcoin quick update. And I'm going to see you in the next one. Bye. Allah Hafiz.